Omuhikirwa w'obukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara Andrew Kirungi byakutaga nashobora ngo omwani gushanjirwe guruguma ha mihanda yo kuzahura abantu kuruga mu boro okutanaho n'ebindi bihingwa.
Yabije ko bukama cy'icyo omwani tukisora kiri kintu kikuru muno. Abantu tumanya nti omwani ukujja kutwala okongera ku hantahya y'abantu baita obukama betu kandi omwani tuyitwe obukama tukisora kiri kintu kikuru muno habwa yabafuayo hamwe n'ebyozaarano byaitu omwani tumanyire tukozesa omwani gwakozesebwaga n'omu kusura emikago buno abanywani tutakuta omwani buno bwa abantu mwino mukago omwani gwakozesebwaga.
Okugamba ebi yabanabuganaho Jurita Coffee Works Limited ahambuga nkuru z'obukama omururembo rwa Hoima barukuhanura ebyokukora omukago ogw'okubutura ebyokuhinga omwani omu Bunyoro.
Kirugwamu ensimbi kutahya amaka tukisora tukusima Jurita bazire hano tuhanure turomenye tutakwata hano betagenda basimo okuhanura bakwata aho abastaff baitu turomenye turakora endagaano iyo kukwataniza omutrazo.
Julius Mike Tumwebaze ori manager wa Jurita Coffee Works Limited najanga nabaza kubutura ebyokuhinga omwani mu Bunyoro okurabire mu kutaho bed zembubo z'omwani hamwe no kushajika abahingi.
Ejja kubeera renewable kubange mwanyi wangala emyaka 5 tuweza tugenda kola memorandum of understanding nga ya myaka 5 gyokka bwegiti wabula tujja kwa tujirinewing ovanyolo emyaka 10 adamu tujirinewinga ne omuntu yenda bayogera ku kigambo omwanyi manya nti ayogera ku kintu kya myaka 5 n'okusoma kitegeeza tugenda kola a long lasting memorandum of understanding until when we are sure nti ekitundu kya Bunyoro kye kimu ku bitundu ebisinga okulima emwanyi mu Uganda yonna.
Omwaka gw'enkomebeera obukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara bukatandikaho omusuru gw'okureeberaho empingano y'omwani. Omugandi municipality y'Ibanda erangirire kwerekuza kuto mu nkolekyeragyo kya trade order ekirasiga ebingi bari omu maziga. Pius Merekezi omuhozi wa town Kiraka ashoborire aha nshonga egi.
Vendors who display their merchandise along the streets. Then we have our markets that we are also trying to organize. The Saza market and other markets in town, where we want people to operate from markets and not reserves and along the road. We shall be looking at the entire physical planning aspect. People who have structures built anyhow, not approved by council. We shall be implementing the Building Control Act in its entirety. People who are building and extending and adding on what they presented to us for approval.
Okuza kugamba aha nshonga egi abira buzibwa habwe Ibanda municipality etwire kuto mu nkolekyeragyo kya trade order.
The one who is making the chapati there Rolex na kulisenga no weka na kabuto bashaturoza VAT government tukwata ubona wewe with time and growing. However, on the other side wala kushireba ogu ebintu byabitire kai a street kokani hori weduka urushashura ki emishoro arushashura naki na rent
binje mu town egi bakombekera eryo kandi ize bari rwakana binje nibaza kuzo mu maziga kandi arikwebembera akakiiko arabwire ko hatabaho kwitera bamwe risho.
But giving rather being a government order, we don't have any alternative other than implementing the order. Okay? And I'm sure to the Roads Committee and the municipality, those other previous issues we're having will now be sorted.
Pius Merekezi nabwo yorekera akakiiko aka okwenkora ya USMID neguma neza mu kigo yewezinge kandi aha project ishatu zibire niziteekateekwa kukorwa ntaza kukorwa wemwe.
Now as beginning of April, as April was progressing, they told us no, not the 3. We have again 0.1. Please give us 1. Now from the 3 we had submitted, we said now which one we take up. But we finally 0.1 as a market. That market has moved down. Yes, so that's the market we hope work to start. Actually, they were still just starting in May.
Akakiiko niko kamwe katensiza hango tushemerire kukorwaho.
Wenu twinengu tuza third quarter estarahwire konka twaziganiraho then twine n'enguuto za koteje ituru muhatorere fourth quarter nazo turiyo tukora konko isiko bayi twakamaro kwa mukaga zine ko twazimazire mwene tushabara hanga ngo maybe enjura kuyakucendera mukace hataho tukorana mani enguto tuzimara
Gashoka Noga ba Ambrose Katoto na Timothy Mushabe.